to Zanarkand, bars 9 to 16 today. So, today we have a different section of the piano shown because we're not going so high, but we are going to go low. So this here is the middle C, and our highest note in the right hand is going to be, let me think, this G. So G up from the middle, the other one. And our lowest note is going to be middle C, bass C, low C, and this really low A. Okay. Key continues to be the same. So we did a sort of introduction already and the beginning. And now we had arrived. Our last bar was, you might remember that. And this is where we go very low A. Okay. I'll start with the right hand and try to say the finger numbers. Remember, finger numbers are the most important thing because you don't want to be thinking that. So as soon as you learn the notes, learn them with your fingers that you are going to use, unless for you it's really impossible. And in that case, change them and stick to them every single time. We are going to start in the B, just down from the middle C. The rhythm is simple. It's always crotchets or dotted crotchets and quavers, nothing special here. And when it appears, I'll let you know. So, bar 9, we have a B with a thumb, and a B with an E, B with an E with a B. Now a G chord inverted, D, G, B, 1, 3, 5, go to A, finger 4 turns to do legato to D, and now G, A, E. Okay, I'll do that again. We arrived at 11. You may have noticed I did this. You may just do if you want. Okay, so rhythm bum 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 bum. Okay. Now the right hand will have some quavers. 1, 2, A, C, E, A, B, A, B, C, D. We arrive at 13, E. I'll do that again. So after this, we count 1.5 beat. 1 and A, C, E, A, B, A, B, C, D, E. And I'll do 9 to 12. Because I was talking. Okay, but we do have a crescendo marking on 12, so it might be nice to do so when you're doing the upward arpeggio. We arrive at mezzo forte. So far we only had mezzo piano as dynamics. Now we have bar 13, the theme again. B, E, F sharp, C, G, F, B, E, A, B, A, D, sorry, E with 5, D, 1 and 2 for A, B. I'm going to change the 2 for 5, and now 3 to G while holding the B. And now on 17 we have E minor chord, G, B, E. It's always useful to know where you're going to land. So we're just going to do that bar 16 again. So we have an A with a B, and the B keeps for 3 counts. I arrived here with 1 and 2, so I'm going to do that rather than let it go, because it would certainly be easier, but I can also do this, which I much rather do. See the movement? So I arrived with 2, I changed it for 3. I have time for this because at this point I'm not playing very fast. So 1, 2, 3, and that way I can keep legato. But If you find the movement very, very confusing, you shouldn't at this stage, but if you find it, you can just let it go. And if you use a 5-4 here, you can keep the 5, go to 3, 2, or even 4-3. I wouldn't advise that. So my fingering would be 1. I would break the phrase, because otherwise imagine yourself singing or playing a wind instrument, and it'll be more or less obvious where to breathe. Maybe here, but here it'll be kind of childish, right? So legato is nice there. Okay, the whole right hand, I'll try not speaking. Mind you, I'm stopping in bar 17. As we saw last lesson, of course, we can do last time I recorded, we can do this with a rubato and sometimes also the tempo, but 85 will sound something like this. You can add a little pedal sometimes to get this more, getting more resonance from the strings. Not here maybe, but here no, here maybe. That we should discuss maybe later. So that's approximately the 86, that 85 that it says. Okay, and now onwards to the left hand, low A. So not the lowest A on the piano. I don't think you can even see it. The low A, second A on the piano. And I'm playing it, bear with me because I'm making this up as I go. So it's an octave, A with 5, then you go to A with thumb, and you change while you're there, because you're going to go to E and then G and down to A, which you can do with your finger 3, and then E. So let's do this all over again. A, octave A, change to 5 while you're there, go to E2, G1, A3, and low E, B, E, F sharp, and G. So it's a syncopation, do, 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 and quavers, da, dee, da, and then a crotchet. I'll do that slowly. I hope that was clear. Now we have just 3 notes. It's when the right hand does the arpeggio, continues the arpeggio. So it's the left that starts it. Right hand was doing this. Left hand starts F, C, G, then the right continues. And the left doesn't do anything here. So for the first 4 bars, 9 to 12, left hand has 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2, right continues. E left. Okay, this E, not down low anymore. I don't think I need to play that anymore. Hopefully you could see it. So this change here, you could do also 2-finger 2, but that's an uncomfortable stretch, but you can. So if it works for you, for me it works best to change, because it's no trouble at all once you get accustomed to it. And when you get to that E, it's also a E in the left down 2 octaves. I might as well join these already. So we have a B, right hand just down from the middle, C, and A. Very dramatic. Really slowly. I'm doing some legato here that I didn't talk about. This one. I can't do legato here natural, but I can here by keeping the E. So I do that because I find it nicer. I didn't know pedal whatsoever here. Not yet, because I haven't decided where it sounds nice. Let me see. Here I don't think it needs. Let me see again. Nah, maybe here. Then let go, yes. So probably here, no. Or just a little bit on the last chord. Not sure yet. I'll think about it. Next one, left hand. So 13 to 16. Left hand has an E, B, E. So that's 5, 2, 1, F sharp, and G. It's pretty nice and easy. We like easy and nice. E, B, E, F sharp, and G. Then we have A, E, G, E. Change for thumb because we're going to F sharp, okay? A, E, G, E syncopation, E, F sharp. So 13 and 14 are E, B, E, F sharp, and G. Now A, E, change the thumb, F sharp. Bar 15, F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp. Again, these are the fingers that I would use. You might feel that for you something different works better, but I like to keep things legato when I can, or have that choice if possible. That's 14, 15. Here 3-2 would also work, but I have to go down to G, so I don't want it. Now, syncopation again. G, D, G, G. Now this one is a bit awkward, so you might skip it altogether. G, D, G with 2, turn to 1 G. Or if you really have long hands, which I don't, I mean I do, but 2-5 is a bit too much for me. So G, D, G with 2, turn to 1 G. I have less time to do that change now, but it's an easy one. G, D, G, G. 2-1 is easy to do. And it's not a very fast tempo again. Let me see. It's doable, but you can also let go. Okay, if it's very, very hard. Yeah. Left hand would be, let me see, with the metronome, the second phrase, 13 to 16. A little awkward, but that's because I didn't even read it before. So that's it for the left hand till here. So now I'm going to join the hands from 13 to 16, and I'll play the next notes, which will be the E chord and bass C, just to have a stopping point. So very slowly now, 2, 3. That bar 16 is a handful if you decide to do all these complications, which I saw. Got it? More or less. Okay, so bar 13 is relatively simple. So is 14. Change for thumb. 15 is also okay. Chain half of 5 right hand. And now, you can let go here if you want. And there if you want. I don't. Because I think the legato works a lot better like that. Okay? I like things to be straightforward. If if possible. And it is possible. Not straightforward, correct. That was the word. And then I can change it, but at least I have the option of doing it legato if I want. If I don't want, I can let it go. I still can. So I'm now finally going to play 9 to 16, okay? And end on the first note of 17. First notes, no pedal, okay? So very low. I'm actually going to start from the last bar, so from 8, okay? 2, 3. Because this is a very long distance, so work on this distance. 1 and 2 and 3, go down. So you want to have this on your fingers before starting to practice that part. 2 and 3, down. So right hand doesn't have much to travel, but left does. So you look left. 2 and 3, left. So you want to aim that. It's not very hard if you're looking the correct way. 1 and 2, look to the low A, and there you go. Oh, I said I wouldn't put pedal. Oh yeah, I'm touching the stands. Sorry, but it was wobbling here because of the pedal. So let's go again from the same place. Sorry about that. Bar 8. Look left. Could have done a bit more dynamics. Oh well, it'll have to do. It is, mind you, faster than this, but I have a lesson to teach in 5 minutes, so I have to wrap it up today, okay? But there'll be something like, I forgot to take the pedal away, sorry. But I was not expecting to play it at this pace already. Okay, I hope it helped, and to be continued. Bye bye.